Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with a clear workspace and dry hands. This prevents slipping and losing the tip. Hold the AirPod with the stem between thumb and index finger near the body, close to the base where the tip meets the housing. Once held, pinch the silicone tip at its widest band, not the thin edge, to get secure contact. Make a small downward pull combined with a slight twist. This reduces suction and releases the internal lip that holds the tip in place. You perform the core motion. Keep a firm pinch at the tip's widest band and pull straight down while rotating about 30 to 45 degrees. The rotation disengages the retention bead from the nozzle groove. The downward pull eases air pressure. Make sure to support the AirPod housing with your other hand so you don't stress the stem. If resistance persists, pause, reposition your pinch, and repeat a controlled pull. Quick jerks risk tearing the tip or snapping the stem. Once the tip detaches, examine both the nozzle and tip for rips or debris. Clean gently with a dry cloth. To install, align the new tip's inner ring to the nozzle and press until you feel a distinct click. This confirms the retention lip engaged. If a tip is stuck and won't budge, wrap a small piece of non-residue tape around it to improve grip, then repeat the pull plus rotate motion. Make sure to test fit and sound after reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.